Welcome back. Okay, so in the video above, that is the link over there. That video focuses on how to create study area map. Some call it contextual map, others call it locational map. Do you get it? So when I created that video, the folders, the shapefiles were ready. So these are the shapefiles. The Ashanti regional shapefile was there. The boundary of the district was there. So I started dragging them and started working with them. Do you get it? Yes. Then I said that what if the folder is not ready like this? You don't have the folders ready for you to start dragging them to create a study area map. How will you be able to make the data ready? Yes. And that is what this video is coming to focus on, how to extract shapefiles and make them ready for a study area map. Not only study area map, you might need to extract some shapefiles for a different exercise which might require you to do the extraction that I am going to do in this video. So without wasting much time, you see that I have created a folder for Ofori over here, Ofori. So what if I want to create study area map for Ofori, but the shapefiles are not ready? I don't have the boundary of Ofori. I don't have the boundary of Ashanti region, even though I have the Ghana shapefile, but I don't have the individual shapefiles that I need. How am I going to make the data ready or the shapefiles ready? Okay, before I continue, with a study area map, like I said in that video, you need a boundary of the district, a boundary of the region that the district is located in it, and the Ghana regions, that is the shapefile of the Ghana regions, and possibly a shapefile of Africa. Do you get it? Regardless of, aside these, you also need the communities within that district. Do you get it? And possibly you have to extract or separate your study communities from the communities within the district. Do you get it? Yes. So we are going to do all these exercises in this video. So let us start. So with Ofori, I first don't have the boundary for Ofori municipality, but I have the Ghana shapefile. Do you get it? So now let us start extracting the Ofori boundary. So to do that, let me go to the Ghana shapefile. I have it over here. So I have a shapefile for Ghana district. This is it. I will drag it. Now I want Ofori municipality. There are so many ways that you can locate Ofori. If you already know the district, you can zoom in to Ashanti region, and I know that yes, this is Ofori municipality. This is it. I can pick the selection to select it. When I go to the attribute table, I'll see it's being selected. You see, Ofori. Aside that, let me clear selected feature. No, I've created layer from selected feature. We haven't gotten the selection, so let me clear it. You can also go to the attribute table and look for the districts. When you see the districts and select it like this, let me select this. You see that it will be highlighted over there. Have you seen? That is the one highlighted over there. Yes. So that is another way you can actually select the districts you are studying. So like I said, what if you don't really know the district, or you have to go through this list to select to locate the district, but the list is too many for you, but you actually know the district within which, the region within which that district is located. Do you get it? So you want to, clip the district to a number of districts within that region, so that the list will be fewer for you. The list will be few for you to do the location of the district. Have you gotten what I mean? So now, if you look here, you see that the total number of districts over here is 262. Do you get it? 262. But if you extract or clip only the district within Ashanti region, you get fewer districts as compared to the 262. And with that one, it will be easy for you to go through the list and search for the district. Do you get it? And aside that, we also need the Ashanti regional district for the study area map. So I'll go to the new regions, that is the system regions. This is the shapefile. Then I'll drag it. So these are the regions of Ghana. Then I'll right click, go to Ashanti region. This is the shapefile of Ashanti region. You see it's being highlighted. Yes. Now the Ashanti region is highlighted, I'll right click, then go to data. Then I'll export it. Then I'll look for the folder I am working with. This is the folder I'm working with. Then I'll write Ashanti region. They'll ask you, do you want to add the exported data to the map as layer? Yes. Now it has been added. Then I'll go here and deselect it. Now, if I unhighlight this, you see that Ashanti region will be left. Now, I want to see this. I want to clip only the regions, the districts that are located within Ashanti region. So to do that, you go to geoprocessing, then you go to clip. So the first one, you select Ashanti region. Input features, you select Ashanti region, right? Okay, it's still loading. Now with the second one, you select Ghana district. Then here you specify where you want it to be located. So I want it to be saved at the folder I am working with. Then I'll write Ashanti Regional District. No, it wasn't saved well. Ashanti Regional District. Then I'll save it. Then I'll press OK. It is still loading. Have you seen the ball over there, the globe over there? It is still loading, so let us wait. It is done. Oh, okay. So it didn't clip well because of the inputs we did. Do you get it? So this is what I mean. Now, geoprocessing, clip. The first one should be Ghana district. Do you get it? Instead of Ashanti region. Then the second one will be Ashanti region rather. Then you come here, Ashanti regional district. Easy? Yes. So I made a mistake. Do you get it? The first one should be Ghana district. That is the one that you want to clip. And the second one will be the boundary that you want to clip it into it. Do you get it? So now let me clear this one, then also come and delete it from here. Do you get it? Now you see that we've gotten the district with the Ashanti Regional District. Have you seen that? Yes. So that is it. So now with this one, the list will be fewer for us. Instead of 262 districts for us to search, we have 66 districts. So we can go through and look for Oforikrom. Oforikrom. This is Oforikrom. Do you get it? Then you select it. You see Oforikrom has been highlighted. Then you come to the Ashanti Regional District. Then you right click. You go to export data. This is it. Then you write Oforikrom District or Oforikrom Municipality. They'll ask you, do you want to add it? Then you say yes. Then you come here, selection, then you clear selected feature. Have you seen that? Now we've gotten our Oforikrom district, we've gotten our Ashanti region, then we've gotten our Ashanti regional districts. Do you get it? Okay, so we are exporting the data that we need. Now we will also need the Ghana regions, so we will export that one too. We won't select anything, we will just right click on it, go to data, and export that one into the folder we are working with. So you can see Ghana regions. Yes. No, I don't really need that one because do you get it? Now we've gotten that one too. Do you get it? So now let us zoom in to this side. This is the Oforikrom district. Now let us look at the communities within Oforikrom district, because we can't just work with a district, we have to have a steady community. So now you go to the Ghana Shapefile, you see Ghana settlement. This is Ghana settlement. Then you drag it. We don't want, see something, we don't want to study only there. We don't want to study all the settlements within Ghana. No, we only want to study settlements within Oforikrom. So this is Oforikrom district. So let us do another clipping by clipping only the communities that are located within Oforikrom district. Now you go to geoprocessing again, you clip. So the first one should be Ghana settlement, then this will be Oforikrom district. Then you name it Oforikrom settlement. You save it. Then you click OK. See that now the clipping is done. Great. Now we have only the settlements that are located within Oforikrom district. Have you seen that? Okay. What about the roads? Or before that, let us look here. Open attribute table. So these are the settlements within. So we have Ainsan, Boedi, Asokwa. Do you get it? But we can't find Kote. Kote is here. Yes, Kote is here. Emina is there. Dediakon is there. Yes, Kokoben is there. Nice one. So now that we've clipped the settlement, left with the road. So you go here, then you see feeder road. So feeder roads are here. Then you drag the feeder roads. These are the minor roads within the district, right? Then it also has Ghana roads. Okay. The Ghana road is here. Feeder road, Ghana river. Then it has, I'm looking for the Ghana road. This is Ghana road. Do you get it? So this is Ghana road. This one has all the, this one has both the minor and major road. Then he actually has the main road over there. So if he also has the main road, let me remove this. So Ghana road. This is not the one I am looking for. This is not the one I am looking for again. Yes, so this is the main road and these are the minor roads. But normally we leave the main road like that so that the map will not be hanging. Then we clip the minor road. So to clip the minor road, geoprocessing, clip. Then the feeder road is here. Then you select the Forichrome district. Then you write minor road. Okay. Now, minor road has been clipped. Have you seen it? Yes, minor road have been clipped, and aside that, we can leave the main road like that. So with the main road, Ghana roads main, you can just export that one. Then you write main road. Now I don't need this one again. Do you get it? Okay. Now left with the Ghana C. Sometimes you need a C. If you watch the video, the video I am talking about, you see that you have the C over there because Ghana shares border with the Gulf of Guinea. So the Ghana C is here. You can copy the Ghana C. You copy it, then you bring it here, then you paste. Now Ghana C is here. Have you seen that? Yeah. So now that you are done, you can actually switch to the data view. You see, now the data is ready. So you are ready to create your study area map. So you let me remove everything here and show and see. So let me remove this one too. So you switch to the layout view. So let's say you do your page and print setup very quick. Then all that you have to do is that in the first frame, you just drag the Forichrome district over here, its main road, its settlement too. Do you get it? Then you can drag another frame and you start doing the study area map. Do you get it? So that you can come up with a study area map with Forichrome in original context and Ghana context. Yes. So like I said, if you want to learn how to create a study area map after your data is ready like this, then the video above is for you. Just go and watch that video so that you can know how to do that. Yes. And you see, now if you look at the settlements over here, you see that you can't find KNUST. You get it? But there's a way you can go to Google it. You can come to Google it, search for KNUST, save KNUST's point and bring it here so that KNUST will be part of the settlement. Sometimes, maybe not only KNUST, there is a settlement called Domeabra. Forichrome. Domeabra is also not here. So you can go to Google it and use points to locate the location of those particular communities that are not here. Then you export them so that they can become shapefiles and you start working with them. If you want to know how to do that, you can see the video above. That one too. Follow that, watch that video and know how you can actually import locations from and KML from Google Earth Pro software, so that you can turn them into a shapefile, then you start using them. Okay, so once again, thank you very much. And like I said, if you want to know how to create 3D area map very well, watch the video above. And I thank you very much for being with me. If today is your first time being on my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and support me. And I thank you very much once again for being with me. Bye bye.